A Poggenpohl kitchen can include Miele appliances. Let's look at this setup with an island, induction cooktop, and a ceiling vent hood. The vent hood is nearly a flush install in the ceiling or joist space. The induction cooktop is a flush install. And they're connected. When we power on the induction cooktop, automatically, because it's paired to the overhead hood, the lights will go on. When we select the Miele induction cooktop will also turn itself off after a few seconds if you haven't engaged with it. When you select temperature, this will also engage the fan in relation to the setting of what you are cooking. So as this warms up, the overhead fan will turn on. The default turns it on to setting number 2. Then it adjusted back down to setting number 1 because we were just using number 5. If we are to go ahead and hold this up to number 9, there we go. This is going to heat up pretty quickly because this is induction, this is a grill pan, and this fan will then turn on to an even higher speed as the temperature of cooking on the cooktop increases. And when you're done, you simply turn off the cooktop. And within a few seconds, I believe about 45 seconds, the lights will dim and also go out. The fan will stay on for a short amount of time relative to the temperature of the cooktop. And this is an example of our Plus Moto island with the Miele induction cooktop. And these drawers are push to open, which makes it convenient when your hands are full because you can actually open the drawer with your knee instead of having to use your hands. Handles are also an option, which we show over here. And these handles for our refrigerator, our Miele Combi Steam, our Miele coffee system, and the warming drawer. Simple introduction to Poggenpohl Kitchens and Miele appliances, and me, Michelle, your Poggenpohl Kitchen designer. Aloha.